For today's video is mag-change oil tayo ng ating sasakyan na Avanza. Ito po yung oil na gagamitin natin, no? 0W20. Yan. So buksan lang natin. So, kailangan natin gumamit ng pliers kasi napaka-ipit, hirap i-open. Yan. Kailangan din natin gumamit itong 14mm na box wrench, panluwag o pantanggal ng drain plug doon sa may oil pan. Tsaka ito yung ating oil filter 110, tapos ito yung ating oil. Yan. So i-drain muna natin yung lumang oil sa may oil pan. Ngayon is tatanggalin naman natin yung oil filter. Yan, o, yung itim na yan. Yan yung tatanggalin natin gamit itong pangtanggal natin ng filter na tools. So ito po yung size niya, yan po yung size for C110 na oil filter.
Some kind of butterfly, baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me high and dry. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're gentle and wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, 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 oh.
Ngayon ay ikakabit na natin itong ating drain plug at saka itong bagong oil filter. So bago natin ikabit to, lagyan muna natin ng konting oil sa kanyang o-ring para mas madulas yung pagkabit natin, no?
You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby, and twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. Just twist your body and mine.
So after natin lagay yung bagong oil filter natin tsaka mabalik yung ating drain plug, ay maglalagay na tayo ng bagong oil sa ating makina.
you, baby. So I stand up and speak about
So,
my
nandito pa siya sa gitna. Kailangan natin mag dagdag ulit. Ayan, tapos na tayo maglagay ng bagong oil sa ating makina. Ilalagay natin ulit yung ating takip para paandarin natin ng ilang minuto itong ating makina. Tapos check din natin yung ilalim kung may mga tagas. Yan, so kung wala naman ay goods na. Yan, so thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe.